If you're not subscribed, homegirl, I see you watching. Homeboy, I see you lurking. And you're not subscribed, subscribe. And click that little bell so you can get notified when my ugly ass uploads. Thank you.
My loves, welcome back. So today's video is going to be makeup related again. I just thought of like testing out makeup tutorials from Instagram. As you guys know, Instagram tutorials are a minute long because apparently Instagram just lets us upload 1-minute videos, and sometimes you don't get like into detail that much, so maybe our looks won't come out as good as the tutorial. So let's get started. I don't even know if we should do like a pictorial or a tutorial. So the only video I found was this fire and ice. I'm gonna put it right here. I just found that one, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that one. I'll do a pictorial next time. Our eyebrows are done because apparently we already know how to do our eyebrows on these tutorials because they don't show us how to do our eyebrows, because again they're only a minute long. So let's get started. We're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill and the Morphe 35B palette because this one's more color and more pigmentation. So as you guys can see, apparently she went in with the red, so we're gonna go ahead and take our Morphe 35B and we're gonna go ahead and go in with that red that you guys see there. So she goes in with a packing brush, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with a packing brush too. Okay, let's take this Morphe R39. I won't even show it to you guys because the letters are gone. Let me just go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see how I do this. I'm sorry if you guys see anything you guys don't want to see, and by that I mean my mouth and my nose. My eyebrows are done and my eyes are prepped and ready to go, so we're gonna go in with our red. I'm sorry you guys, we're gonna go in with our red. So I guess she added it on her crease, so we're gonna add it on our crease too. Okay, I don't even know how to do this, you guys. Okay. Wait, hold up, I have to say it one more time. Right here, and then she started patting, and then FYI, I have never done like a pigmented color, like a pigmented look like this, so I'm kind of scared. So she takes it all the way out, okay? Then she goes ahead and grabs a blending brush, so we're gonna do that too. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess just blend it out. Honestly, hers looks much better even from the start. Next, she goes in with a yellow shade. So again, we're gonna go ahead and take our Morphe 35B palette. She pulls it up all the way into her eyebrows, so we're just gonna do that too. Again, we're gonna take our 35B palette. We're gonna go in with this beautiful, gorgeous yellow. I don't even know how she does it. I wouldn't, like, usually I don't go in with a really dark color and then go in with a really light color. So this is a new technique for me. Can you guys see? If you guys can't see, let me know. Yeah, you guys could totally talk to me, right? So sorry, you guys. I've been so stressed because I go to work now, and honestly I don't do nothing, and that stresses me out. I think I took it too over into the eyebrow, so that's already my messed up situation there. Honestly, I don't know how these girls do it to be so damn talented. Like, as you guys are seeing, I don't even know how to blend out a color together. So with the smaller brush, she grabs a darker red, which I don't have, so I'm just gonna add red and a little bit of black right on the crease. I look like I got punched in the face. Okay, so next she goes ahead and cuts her crease. So we're gonna go ahead and cut ours too. So just go ahead and grab any flat brush that is used for concealer. So I guess she adds her concealer on the brush. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Honestly, you guys, I'm horrible at these type of cut crease, like where you cut your whole crease.
That is much better.
With any flat brush you have, we're gonna go ahead and add white right on where the concealer went. To her under eye, she goes ahead and takes a really light blue. FYI, if you guys want to avoid all this mess, you guys could just go ahead and add a tape. That way when you take it off, it's just, you know, a line. So that's something I didn't think about until right now, again, because she didn't use a tape, so I wouldn't use a tape. So I guess she's like already a pro because she has no type of mess under there like I do. So whatever helps you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a flat brush and go in with a really light blue. She takes a really light blue, so we're gonna go ahead and take that and add it under our eye. And to end it, she has like a gold highlighter right in the center, so I don't have a gold highlighter, so we're just gonna go ahead and add an eyeshadow, or I don't know if she added an eyeshadow. We're gonna go ahead and add this one from Jaclyn Hill. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Mario Badescu spray to add enhancement process. Go ahead and take a little spray. Voila. So now we're gonna go ahead, add lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how the eye ended up looking. It doesn't look exactly like the tutorial, but I mean, it doesn't look so bad from it. So okay you guys, that was it. I am so sorry I tried doing the other eye off camera, but I got a little bit off concept and I just did a whole other look. Same colors, almost same concept, but packed on a whole lot different than this one. So I'm going to show you guys close up how I did this one. Okay, so as you guys can see, this one has a little bit more of a darker color. It's like black right on the edge and smoking towards the inside. I technically did the same concept as this one, just that instead of just leaving the cut crease, I added orange right on the inner corner, red on the middle, and black kind of smoking out. So that was how my eye looked. I honestly did not like how this one looked. I don't know how people get their cut crease to stay so put. Mine just doesn't. Mine moves around everywhere, and I still have to learn that. I am kind of new at this, so I don't know everything about makeup, but here I am to learn and to grow with you guys. So be patient with me guys, grow with me, and yeah, that's all I could say, I guess. But yeah, you guys, that was it. I am so sorry if you guys weren't really able to see. I kind of had trouble with it myself. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And what do you guys think? Do you guys think Instagram is like a really good way for you to learn makeup? My opinion, I think yes. The only thing is that it's going a little too fast, so you don't get to have a whole lot of detail in how you could do your eye and how you could better it. But I honestly prefer watching shorter videos. So if you guys are like me, then you guys prefer Instagram over YouTube, and that is my opinion, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any suggestions of what eyeshadow looks you guys want me to do next, please let me know. You guys can DM me on my Instagram. I'll leave it right here. You guys know how to contact me. Remember to subscribe. Girl, if you're not subscribed, I will literally jump out of my screen and choke you. What am I forgetting? Oh, remember to follow me on Instagram. Remember to follow me on Facebook. Go like my page. I just created a Facebook page. And that is about it, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys next time.